Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to connect bank account on Spendee. Spendee allows you to connect your bank account on the app for automatic transaction import and easier expense tracking. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Spendee application from your app drawer and make sure that you're signed in. To start with Spendee, you'll first need to connect your bank account. So tap on the Connect a Bank Account option from the timeline page. Search for a bank or e-wallet by using the search box at the top of the screen. Once you make a search for the bank, go ahead and select your Spendee premium plan and then enter a payment method. Once you complete through the premium subscription, you can easily access your bank account by entering your login credential for your particular bank. Go through the information and agree to the terms and conditions for your selected bank account. Once you get to this URL page, go ahead and log into your bank account by entering your login ID and password. Make sure you provide your credentials correct. And then, after filling in both of your email and password, you will be able to add a bank account on Spendee. So that is how you will be able to connect bank account with Spendee. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.